my name is Sally Cheng. I'm a chartered accountant and strategic business consultant. I'm professional accountant turned entrepreneur for last 8 years. Last weekend, I attended Entrepreneurs Are Leaders, and I learned so much things from the amazing speaker such as Harry, Lily, Chong, and other international speakers such as Sonia, Desmond, and Dan. These are the amazing people which I learned at the Entrepreneurs Are Leaders. They share their expertise, their valuable experience, and their information passed apart to us, and I received so much benefit from them. I highly recommend you join our Entrepreneurs Are Leaders. There are so many good speakers who are there to share their value. Again, I'm Sally Cheng. I'm a chartered accountant and entrepreneur. Thank you.